Johns Hopkins ran a psilocybin brain imaging study, then ran it again, because the first results were too unusual to publish without replication. What they found both times was identical. The brain's long-range neural pathways, connections between regions separated by large distances, were restructuring in real time, not chemical changes, structural ones. Pathways the brain had used the same way for decades were forming new routes. Lead researcher Roland Griffiths described it as watching the brain solve a problem it had given up on years ago. The default routes your brain uses right now were mostly established in childhood and reinforced every year since. Neuroscience had considered them largely fixed in adulthood. The Johns Hopkins scans showed that fixedness is a choice the brain is making, not a biological inevitability. The subjects who showed the most dramatic pathway restructuring also reported the largest shifts in psychological flexibility at 6 months. The brain changed, then the person changed, in that order. What Hopkins cannot yet answer is whether the restructuring is the cause of the psychological shift, or whether both are symptoms of a third process the imaging equipment is still too blunt to detect.